In finance and statistics, sampling is the method of taking a small piece of a larger group to understand the whole. Sampling is essential when you cannot possibly look at every single data point in a massive population. A good sample aims for high confidence, meaning your small group accurately reflects the behavior of the larger population. There are different ways to gather data. The goal is to avoid bias so your results remain objective. While the population is the truth, it is often too expensive or time-consuming to measure, making the sample a vital tool. As you can see, sampling dramatically reduces the resource cost required to gain actionable insights for decision-making. Always remember that samples are estimates. They help us make informed guesses, but they are not the same as perfect knowledge. Understanding sampling helps you interpret market reports and data more effectively. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe for more.